My name is Oluwatobi Aturamu, and my YouTube presentation will be on the company Microsoft, and we'll be linking with the article of strategic branding maintenance of the Microsoft Corporation in an Indonesian case. Presents a detailed analysis of brand loyalty within Microsoft Corporation, focusing on the Indonesian market, particularly around the Jakarta area. It investigates how the digital revolution spurred by the COVID-19 pandemic has influenced customer behavior towards software products with a specific emphasis on Microsoft offerings. The research aims to determine the impact of customer brand identification, effective brand commitment, and customer brand engagement on brand loyalty. To achieve this, the study collected primary data through questionnaires completed by 145 Microsoft customers. The data's validity and reliability were rigorously tested before processing through regression analysis with robustness checks. In the literature review, the article focuses on the relationship between various customer brand dynamics and brand loyalty, detailing key psychological and sociological factors that influence customer behavior and attachment to brand. It discusses three main concepts: customer brand engagement, customer brand identification, and effective brand commitment. In customer brand engagement is described as a mixed cognitive, emotional, and behavioral activities that customers associate with a brand, which it can be enhanced through social media interactions to create a competitive edge. It includes aspects like personal connection with the brand, attitude, purchase intention, and loyalty. In customer brand identification, it relates to how customers perceive their similarity with a brand. It explores two approaches: sociological, how identification is revealed, and psychological, how it fits with the customer's level of self. Identification with a brand occurs when it meets the customer's needs for self-characterization, differentiation, and enhancement, leading to outcomes like loyalty and word-of-mouth emotion. And finally, effective brand commitment represents the emotional attachment the customer has with a brand. Based on that identification with it, it's seen as a core commitment, highlighting the emotional bond and a consistent relationship between the customer and the brand. Emotional employees reciprocate this with increased trust and responsibility. The article then examines the relationship among these variables. It looks at customer brand engagement and brand loyalty. A positive relationship is suggested where high brand engagement fosters customer loyalty and purchase intentions. It looks at customer brand identification and brand loyalty. Higher customer brand identification is linked with increased brand loyalty. A brand must communicate its identity clearly to maintain value and encourage loyalty. And finally, looking at effective brand commitment and brand loyalty. Effective brand commitment is an emotional attachment that leads to greater loyalty, willingness to pay more, lower intentions to switch brands. One should emphasize their competitive advantage to enhance loyalty. The study cites various industries and geographical locations, indicating that these dynamics are universally relevant to marketing strategy and customer relationships. The findings imply that brands should focus on clear identity and attaching it to the customer's values to increase loyalty and competitive advantage. Research indicates that customers' active engagement with a brand is crucial for fostering brand loyalty. By providing feedback and suggestions, customers contribute to the brand's improvement in its competitive position. This aligns with findings from earlier studies. Moreover, the research demonstrates a direct correlation between the degree of customer identification with a brand and their loyalty to it. Marketers are thus tasked with the challenge of clearly articulating a brand's identity to effectively connect with the customer's perceptions. The establishment of strong identification with the brand is essential for cultivating lasting brand customer relationships, leading to enhanced loyalty and more effective word-of-mouth promotion. Based on the information provided from the study, here are some managerial implications that can be derived. Prioritize customer engagement. The study indicates that customer brand engagement significantly influences brand loyalty. Managers should develop strategies that increase customer interaction with the brand, such as through community building, social media engagement, and personalized communications. Enhance brand identity. Instead, the results show customer brand identification is crucial for brand loyalty. loyalty. Managers should ensure that brand loyal identity is clear and distinctive and consistently communicated across all channels. This could involve a review of the brand's visual elements, messaging, and the overall customer experience to ensure alignment with the brand's core values and identity. And then finally, strengthen emotional connections. Active brand commitment is found to be a strong driver of brand loyalty. Managers should create emotional connections with their customers by delivering exceptional service, building a strong brand narrative, and engaging in a cause related marketing that resonates with the customer's values and beliefs. The details context of Microsoft's collaboration, brand loyalty, customer brand identification, effective brand commitment, and customer brand engagement. Here are two specific and attainable recommendations. Right? Develop integrated customer experience program. Microsoft could implement integrated customer experience programs that bridge their software solutions with customer support and user communities. For instance, creating an in-app feedback loop within Microsoft Docs that allows users to report issues and suggest improvements directly can enhance the sense of brand identification and effective commitment. This system could use machine learning to categorize feedback and channel it into product development, fostering a more responsible and customer-centric brand image. Expand and customize user education incentives. Considering the diverse range of customers from students to professionals, Microsoft can develop customized education incentives that cater to different user segments. This includes interactive online tutorials, webinars, and virtual events tailored to the unique ways different groups use Microsoft. For example, for students and educators, Microsoft would offer specialized training that focuses on maximizing the use of Office 365 for educational purposes. For professionals, the training could be centered around productivity, collaboration, and security features relevant to remote work. These recommendations are designed to amplify Microsoft's customer-centric approach and reinforce the brand connection with its users, which is essential in maintaining and providing brand loyalty, especially in a competitive digital landscape. These are all the references used to help me with the YouTube presentation.